Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with one of my zodiac sign nail art tutorial videos for you. So in October I took a little break from the zodiac sign series because I was filming Halloween related videos, but I am finally back and it is really unbelievable to me, but I only have 2 signs left for the zodiac sign series. One of them is of course the sign of Scorpio, and I do hope you will enjoy my tutorial and manicure that I created using the Coyle polish that inspired my zodiac sign series, and also the stamping plate from MoYou London and their zodiac signs collection. As I mentioned a few times, Coyle polish has been or is being discontinued. However, Kathleen Lights did come out with a new line. It's called Lights polish, and I will be definitely checking it out. However, not anytime soon. Right now I'm trying to use the polishes that are already in my collection, and I would like to showcase you as many of her Coyle polishes as I can. If you do like my series, then definitely don't forget to thumbs up my video, and if you don't want to miss out on the very last zodiac sign that will be coming shortly, then also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Alright guys, that's all for this rambling beginning. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section, and I will also link for you everything that I can in the description box, in case if you are interested in seeing my previous videos in the series and some thoughts on the Coyle polishes themselves. So thank you so much guys for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.